Hello again and welcome to today's video. As you can see, we are still located in Herttoniemi, and today we are going to create line number 85. Surprise, surprise. And line number 85 starts exactly the same way as line number 84. It originates at Herttoniemi, stops at Laivalahden portti at Linnanrakentajan tie, and turns right to Kaivolahden katu and Tuorinniemi. Now comes the interesting thing with this line. It has a stop, and I think the stop will be there both ways, where the previous line didn't stop. For some reason, let's not be bothered about that. So the stop is called Kuukiven katu, Månhällsvägen, and for some funny reason, it's kind of a one-way stop this way around. But there is also a stop with the same name on this ramp here. And that's something we will have to address later on. But until then, that will be later, and the stop will be built there. That's it. It will stop at Yliskylän keskusta, and then it will stop at Koirasaaren tie, but the Koirasaaren tie stop it will stop at is not over there. It's slightly after the crossing. So let's look here. Yes. It's slightly after the crossing, but it's the platform of the same stop called Koirasaaren tie. So that will be built over there, and then we'll just merge it with the existing network before the issues with creating the double stop arises, and then we'll just delete the stop and make this a platform of Koirasaaren tie, like this. After the Koirasaaren tie stop, it will stop at Villebrandin tie, obviously called Willebrandsvägen. Oh, yeah, we have this usual stop issue over here again. And that's it. The stop is over there. After Villebrandin, the following stop will be at Sarpapolku. Another interesting feature here, because stop at Sevstigen is okay. I will place this stop a bit further north than it actually is, because I will need it later. And then we stop at Iso-Sarvaston tie, Storfladavägen. After Storfladavägen, it's Takila tie, Takkelvägen. And then we have Rannikkolaivurin tie, Kustköppavägen. Then we have Hämeenapajan tie. That's quite a name, actually. Hämeenapajan tie. What does that even mean? Tavastvarpsvägen. And then, let me see. Kellaripellon polku. Okay. Källaråkerstigen. puuskakuja. Knusgränd. And finally the terminus, which is Puuskarinne, obviously. That's gonna be Knusbrinken. Oh, right I was. So the bus will make a nice little loop over there, but let's not just rush there yet, because it's easier to do it this way this time. And once this is done, I will then have to check the stop, which I ignored previously. I don't think it has anything to do with this line, but I will just have to check if it actually does. So that's it. That is it. Oh, not just quite yet. The one single stop I skipped. Well, it skips it on the return route, so we're done with this. And then we'll create the line. So let's see. Puuskarinne, Puuskakuja. Fairly easy this way around. No stop over there. And as you can see, once again, a fairly short line, stretching around 12 kilometers combined. And then let's see how often the line operates. That is every 10 minutes at its busiest. Okay, so, well, let's just open the line then. And then buy enough buses to operate it every 10 minutes, if that's what it takes. That means I need 4 buses. I think if I calculate it correctly, seems so. And that's it. Line number 85 has been successfully created. Once again, I will return tomorrow with a new video. Until then, it's bye.